Hello, welcome to your Fidelity Mobile App. If you need to top up your airtime, just follow these instructions on your mobile app. Start by signing into the Fidelity Mobile App on your mobile device by entering your login PIN or using facial recognition or fingerprint feature if your device is equipped. Then tap on Airtime and Data and select Airtime. In the Airtime page, select the network. Then select the source account from which the funds will be debited and enter the amount. Then enter the phone number to receive the airtime. You can also select a number from your phone book. Select the purpose of the transaction and then tap Next. A summary of your transaction will then be displayed. To confirm, enter your 4-digit PIN number or use the facial recognition or fingerprint feature to confirm if your device is equipped. And tap Send to complete your transaction. You will then receive a notification to confirm the transaction is complete. Try out these other features on the app and experience convenient banking at your fingertips. Thank you for choosing Fidelity Bank. If you ever need help, here's how you can reach us.
Fidelity Bank. Believe with us.